Hey friends, I'm estate planning attorney Paul Rabelais and founder of the national estate planning law firm America's Estate Planning Lawyers, also referred to as APLE. Today we're diving into a crucial topic that often gets overlooked in the world of financial planning: estate planning. Specifically, we'll be discussing why financial advisors should take advantage of the opportunity to actively participate in estate planning with their clients. If you're a financial advisor or someone who works with one, stick around. This video is for you. So, two quick stats worth noting. A recent study shows that an overwhelming majority of clients of financial advisors, 93%, want estate planning advice from their financial advisors, yet only 22% are getting it. And I think that 22% number is high. And second, industry statistics show that up to 90% of heirs choose to leave their benefactor's original financial advisor when the benefactor, often a parent or spouse, dies. And while a financial advisor has a unique opportunity that they often don't take advantage of to assure clients that their estate will be passed on to their loved ones in the most efficient manner possible while minimizing taxes and avoiding unintended consequences, but also the financial advisor who guides their client through the estate planning process can often engage the entire family and show their value as the advisor who would be the ideal resource to help the family's next generation continue this legacy of family wealth preservation. So if you've watched a handful of my videos or have had some estate planning life experiences, you likely realize that estate planning isn't just about writing a will. It's a comprehensive process that ensures your client's financial legacy is managed and distributed according to their wishes. So why should financial advisors be involved? Let's break it down. First up, holistic financial planning. Financial advisors are already deeply familiar with their clients' financial situation, goals, and concerns, having met with their clients at least annually for years. Incorporating estate planning into the services you provide allows you to create a more comprehensive financial plan. This not only strengthens your relationship with your clients, but also ensures all aspects of their financial lives are aligned. And holistic financial advisors are often on those front lines assessing their clients' comprehensive financial situations and have an ability to identify estate planning gaps in their financial plans. Through the financial advisor's years of interaction in a financial planning relationship, advisors have a holistic understanding of their client's level of financial sophistication, family dynamics, emotional biases, and other nuances that an estate planning attorney could not detect in the customary one-hour estate design consultation meeting that a client may have with their estate planning attorney. So financial advisors should think of estate planning as adding another layer of security and foresight to your client's financial roadmap. Second, ensuring a smooth transition. One of the main goals of estate planning is to ensure that assets are transferred smoothly to the next generation. Financial advisors can play a critical role in this process by working closely with estate attorneys to ensure everything is in order. And the financial advisor's engagement in the estate planning process is often necessary to ensure that the estate plan does not fail the client's family. For example, the financial advisor who engages with the attorney and their client as part of the estate planning process can ensure that beneficiary designations on financial assets are consistent with the overall estate planning program, and financial advisors can ensure that account ownership of brokerage accounts are structured in a way to eliminate the need for probate, which is a common goal for many clients of financial advisors. Third, enhancing client relationships. When you assist with estate planning, you show your clients that you care about their long-term well-being and that of their families. This can deepen trust and loyalty, leading to stronger, more enduring client relationships. Clients are more likely to stick with an advisor who demonstrates such a comprehensive understanding of their needs. And while the advisor's engagement in the estate planning process can increase the level of trust and loyalty between the advisor and their client, it also sets the table for a strong relationship with the client's heirs when the client's assets are distributed at the client's death, continuing the legacy of providing valuable financial planning to family members when they may need it most. Fourth, staying competitive. The financial advisory industry is competitive, and offering estate planning services to your existing clients or to your prospective clients can set you apart from other advisors. Clients are looking for one-stop solutions for their financial needs, and being able to offer estate planning makes you a more attractive choice. And by staying ahead of the curve, you not only attract more clients, but also retain existing ones. So how does the financial advisor and client gain all of the benefits of the financial advisor's engagement in the estate planning process? Well, here at Apel, we've developed a system to make that easy. After all, by taking advantage of video technology and secure online portals, and given that the goals of both the estate planning attorney and the financial advisor are aligned, and that we all want to help clients secure the financial future of our clients and their closest loved ones, it's easy to create a win-win scenario where both the client and the financial advisor achieve desired results. So here's how we do it. First, if you're a financial advisor who wants to be hands-on in the estate planning process for your clients, use the link in this video's description to set up a meet and greet conversation with me, where we can engage in some initial conversation as well as ask and answer a few questions. Second, when you determine that your client has an estate planning need, either because you asked them if they had an estate planning need and they answered in the affirmative, or they volunteered that they need estate planning guidance, you use the calendar link that we provide you to schedule a convenient time for you and your client to participate in a Zoom estate planning design meeting with me. Prior to this design meeting, your client will be emailed a link where they can establish an estate planning portal where they can assign you as a user, and they can upload any prior or relevant estate planning documents such as prior wills, trusts, powers of attorney, and in their portal they can document key estate assets and family members, but key estate assets that they want to preserve and pass along to their survivors. Third, we all participate in the Zoom estate planning design meeting. The proper perspective here is an acknowledgement that the attorney is in control of implementing the estate plan, and that the advisor is that person in charge of the client's overall financial plan, of which the estate plan is one essential component. This can put the relationships in context and provide perspective as to why the advisor needs to play a part in the estate planning process. At the conclusion of the design meeting, the attorney, who is often me, will summarize the estate planning goals of the client as well as lay out a plan for ensuring that all estate planning goals are met. The attorney will also let the client know any fixed and reasonable legal expense that's involved in implementing the estate plan from start to finish. So it's at this time that the client has an opportunity to choose to proceed by retaining the law firm. Fourth, our law firm then gathers the necessary information to customize all aspects of the plan, which often includes customizing wills, trusts, powers of attorney, healthcare legal documents, trust certificates, transfers of property or business interests to the trust, and more. The client and perhaps their advisor will then participate in a Zoom review meeting where our law firm walks everyone through key customized provisions of the estate legal documents that accomplish the client's wishes. And then once everyone agrees that everything prepared is 100% exactly what the client wants and needs, Apel's appropriate state licensed attorney participates by reviewing a copy of the objectives and the documents, and then the documents are sent to the client with the appropriate sign here sticky tab so that the documents can be made official by following Apel's execution instructions. Once signed, the documents are uploaded to the client's estate portal, and the client also keeps their 3-ring estate planning portfolio binder, which holds, among other things, the original legal documents. Then, as part of the financial advisor's at least annual conversations that you have with your client, you can inquire as to whether the client has had any major changes in their family circumstances that would warrant another update conversation about their estate plan. So participating in estate planning is a win-win for both financial advisors and their clients. It ensures comprehensive financial and estate planning, reduces the risk of unintended estate consequences, protects assets, ensures smooth transitions, enhances client relationships, and gives you a competitive edge in the market. And if you're a financial advisor not yet actively involved in estate planning for your clients, now's the time to start. And if you're a client, this may help you ensure that your advisor is taking this essential step to secure you and your family's financial future. So if you're a financial advisor who found this video helpful, make sure to click the link in the description to set up your introductory Zoom meet and greet with me. See you next time.